Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beautiful Brownie, and this is Sholanki. So I created this look for Mahalaya. Mahalaya is the beginning of Durga Puja. Generally, we start our pandal hopping plans from the Mahalaya itself, but this year we can just get ready and stay in home and celebrate the Mahalaya in our homes because Corona has destroyed everything. So I'm starting with some primer. I'm using a PAC pore filler primer here because I have large pores. If you don't have any pore, then you can use any other primer you like. And if you are using any pore filler primer like me, then you need to pat it down into your skin and not dragging. And after primer, I'm using some loose powder because powdering underneath your foundation makes your makeup last longer, and it also helps in controlling the oil of your face. Next, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is the orange corrector actually. I'm using this to cancel out my dark spots from my face. This particular corrector is very pigmented, so remember to use very little in amount. And now taking a small concealer blending brush, I'm blending the corrector into my skin. Have patience and blend the corrector nicely. If you're a beginner, I would suggest to use a wet sponge instead of the brush. I am more comfortable with my brush, so I'm using this. You can use the corrector to cancel out your dark circles as well. Because I don't have any dark circle, I'm not using it under my eyes. And again, use some loose powder to set your corrector in place, or else your corrector will mix with your foundation and it will look very bad. For foundation, I'm using MAC and True Match both, and I'm mixing them with the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light. Because it's a day look, I'm trying to create a day look, so I'm using the strobe cream with the foundation because that gives a nice illuminating effect. While pandal hopping, we get very sweaty, so I'm trying to make this makeup look as sweat proof as possible. Yeah, I know we are going to stay in house only, but still. The foundation shade may appear a bit lighter now, but at the end everything will look nice. For concealer, I'm using my favorite LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Natural Beige. I'm applying the concealer places I want to highlight. I'm using the same brush I used for my foundation. You can use any other small concealer brush as well. This concealer shade is just a bit lighter than my foundation. You can use a 2 shade lighter concealer also, but as this is a day look, I'm not highlighting my face too much. I'm using the same HD loose powder from NYX to set my base. Loose powders are actually best to use because they don't create any cakiness on your face. And this particular HD loose powder is my favorite. It instantly blurs out the face. I'm using this small brush, the places where I applied my concealer, because it helps with all the creasing. For the rest of my face, I will use the big brush and will blend all together. So now my favorite part, contouring. I love to contour my face because I have a broad face, I think. So I'm using this Revolution eyeshadow palette, single eyeshadow palette, which has a nice funny name, some triple M or 4M actually. This is a nice cool tone brown shade which you can use for contouring, not bronzing, for contouring only. And if you are dark skin like me, then you're gonna love this shade because there are no contour powder like this in budget. I'm using the contour to create some shadows on my face, so my face looked quite thin and chiseled, you know. For blush, I'm using a coral shade from Color Bar. For highlighter, I'm using the MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter because again, I'm creating a day look and I don't want chunky glitters on my face. This is a nice highlighter shade actually. It goes with every skin color, it goes with every occasion. You can wear it in daylight, in night. This is very nice. Use your fingers to get the maximum coverage of the highlighter. I'm using the brush everywhere, but on the tip of my nose I have used my finger. And now I'm using the MAC fixer. This will tame down any powder effect from your skin and also help to long last the makeup. And yes, I have done my left eye off the camera so that I can show you guys the right eye makeup nicely and explain nicely. I'm using some eyeshadow powder, brown eyeshadow powder to fill my eyebrows because this is a day look. I'm not using any gel or pencil to do my eyebrows. Make sure to brush your eyebrows at the last so that they don't look messy. To prime my eyelids, I'm using the same LA Girl Pro Concealer which I have used on my face. Because we are not going to use any more eyeshadows on our lids today. So it's important that you use your concealer on your eyelids so that it looks bright and nice. I'm using some more concealer because I think I need some more coverage. I'm using the small concealer brush to blend the concealer. I will use the same MAC highlighter on my eyelids with the same highlighter brush I have used on my face so that it gives a bright look on my eyes. And now I'm taking the green concealer shade from the Morphe Color Wheel to create a wing. You can do the green eyeliner with any liquid green eyeliner, but I don't like the dark green liner I have. So I'm using the concealer and I will use the lighter green shade that matches my sari to create the liner. I'm using a basic eyeliner brush, thin eyeliner brush to create the wing. And remember, to create a nice long wing, you need to go step by step. Create short strokes from the outer corner and slowly join them towards the inner corner. And I'm using this green shadow over the liner and I'm using the same brush after cleaning that. Just repeat the step that you have done to create the liner. Just go with the shadow with tiny little strokes over the concealer liner you have created. And now I'm using the lighter green shimmery shade to highlight my inner corner. And now with the black eyeliner, I am just outlining the green eyeliner with the black. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal black eyeliner. It looks very tough, but it is actually not. Just create short strokes and do the liner. I'm creating a small wing in the inner corner of my eyes as well. And now with the concealer and the small concealer brush, I am cleaning out the edges of the liner so that everything looks very chic and nice. For the lower lid, I am using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I'm using a nice amount because I'm going to smoke it out with some black shadow. Using a small smudger brush to smudge out my eyeliner, smudge out my kajal with some shadow, black shadow. And now with a small fluffy brush, I'm using the same green shadow with which I have created the liner to smoke out. And we are almost done with the eyes. I'm using my favorite lash curler, and I will finish the eye look with some mascara and a nice coat of mascara actually. And I will apply some lashes as well because hello, I'm not going anywhere. And yes, this is my third mascara from the same Maybelline Colossal range because I don't think there is any other mascara in the same range like this. And off camera I have applied my lashes, which looks brilliant with the winged liner look. And like always for lips, I have mixed so many lip colors. I have applied 54, 58 and maybe 56 from the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Shades. I will link down all the description down below. And at the last, I have kissed the tissue to get the matte look. And this is the finished look I have created to celebrate the Mahalaya by sitting in my room only. Let me know whether you like the look or not. If you want to create the look, make sure you tag me in your social accounts, and I will link down my all social accounts down below. So I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and share your love and some food with animals. And please subscribe if you like my videos.